Yo, what is going on, everyone in the crypto space? So today I wanted to make a video about the Bitcoin ETF situation and how that could actually be the catalyst for the next big bull run. Now, for you keyboard warriors out there, yes, I did say in today's stream, I don't think this Bitcoin ETF will really boost up the market a lot. And for a couple of reasons, because the market's absolutely shooting up right now over this news. And I kind of did a little more thinking, I did a little more research, and I learned some information about ETF saying that it doesn't really directly buy into Bitcoin, but it actually does in some cases. When you read up on what an exchange traded fund is, it actually seems like if someone purchased a Bitcoin ETF, it would actually be buying Bitcoin. CC Cleaner right now. So I did a little more research and gave it some more thought, and I really think this has potential to be the catalyst for the next bull run. Like the catalyst for the last bull run. Some may argue, including myself, that Bitcoin Cash drove a lot of interest in this market because it was Bitcoin, the big famous big dog Bitcoin, pretty much splitting into two, and that sparked a lot of interest. So now that the SEC in September, they're going to make a decision on Bitcoin ETFs, so it can be traded in institutional trading desks and get added into mutual funds and large investment accounts. I can actually see why it's really going up right now, and how could this really affect the future. Now, if Bitcoin does get an ETF, we got 3 months until the decision. There's 3 months of hype right there alone to drive the market up. And here's the thing. My honest opinion, this Bitcoin ETF might not have a lot of volume come into it. If it does come out with an ETF for Bitcoin amongst a lot of institutions for essentially for an investment, a lot of capital might not get injected into it. But the thing is, in a lot of cases in finance, a perception is a lot stronger than reality. And if the market perceives that the Bitcoin ETF will cause it to shoot up because it's going to be allowed in mutual funds and in more institutional trading desks, the perception is that more money will come in, so therefore more people will buy. And the more and more media keep talking about it, and the more and more media keep saying Bitcoin potentially have the largest bull run in history pretty soon, that really affects the market sentiment. So one thing to really consider that I didn't consider when I said, you know what, ETF, I don't think it's going to bring up the market, is you got to take in reality and also the perception. Perception is a lot stronger than reality in many cases. Think of it this way. Imagine your house or the house you live in, and imagine that house, but on the coast in San Diego. It's going to be worth about 10 to 15 times more just because it's on the coast, and it goes up in value because it's perceived, since it's by the coast, it's a more value property because it's right by the ocean. You got the ocean right there, a lot of good restaurants and shopping area, really nice town, good weather. That's the perception. So that's why coast properties go from anywhere from 2 all the way to 10 million, depending on how big they are. Now you take your exact house and put it in the guts of Arizona, where it is really hot and real estate is cheap. It's going to be perceived as a less valuable property because it's not a very desired place to live. So perception in a lot of cases is a lot stronger than reality. I'm not 100% sure if these ETFs will really drive in a lot of volume into the cryptocurrency market, but as long as it's perceived to do that, more money is going to come into the Bitcoin market. So I really do think this ETF, I'm kind of changing what I said in today's stream, but I really gave it some thought, looked into some more research, looked at some more articles, and this really seems like a viable catalyst for the next bull run. Now, and I'm not saying for XRP, but for XRP, XRapid going live, big catalyst. But as you guys know, when Bitcoin goes up, alts get dragged with it on Bitcoin's coattails. So we got 3 months until, 2 months. No, not 3 months. 2 months. The decision is going to be in September, so we got like 2 months until then for all that hype to come out of the media, and potentially maybe Bitcoin could get over 10,000 in the next couple of weeks leading up to the Bitcoin ETF decision. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm thinking it's actually a viable catalyst for the next bull run, so let's see how that goes in 2 months. So thank you guys so much for tuning in this video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, check the links in the description if you do want to support the channel, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video or a stream. Thank you guys for watching this video. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you guys in the next one.